When it's time to change your Kia's transmission fluid, do you get confused between a transmission flush and a drain and fill? Or wonder if you're even using the right transmission fluid? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 8 biggest Kia transmission fluid mistakes that many owners make and how to avoid costly repairs. Mistake number 8, believing Kia's lifetime transmission fluid. If you've ever searched online about changing your Kia's transmission fluid, you've probably seen people saying the exact same thing. Don't touch it, it's lifetime fluid. That sounds great because who wouldn't want a transmission that never needs servicing? But here's the problem. A lot of Kia owners take the word lifetime literally, and that's where expensive mistakes can begin. So, if Kia calls it lifetime transmission fluid, why do so many mechanics still recommend changing it? The answer is actually pretty simple. Basically, no transmission fluid lasts forever. Every time you drive, your transmission creates heat and friction. Over thousands of miles, that heat slowly breaks down the fluid. Over time, it also collects tiny bits of clutch material and microscopic metal particles from normal wear inside the transmission. As the fluid gets older, it becomes less effective at cooling, cleaning, and protecting all those moving parts. Many drivers also misunderstand what lifetime really means. Automotive experts and organizations like AAA explain that the term doesn't mean the fluid will remain effective for the entire life of your car. How long it lasts depends on how and where you drive. Heavy traffic, short trips, hot weather, and constant stop-and-go driving can all make the fluid wear out much sooner than people expect. That's why many experienced Kia technicians recommend changing the transmission fluid as preventative maintenance instead of waiting until shifting problems appear. In most cases, it's much cheaper to replace old fluid than to pay for major transmission repairs later. Now, believing the lifetime fluid myth isn't the only reason Kia owners wait too long. Mistake number 7, you might already be driving under Kia's severe service schedule. After hearing about the lifetime fluid myth, a lot of Kia owners think they're in the clear because they don't tow heavy trailers or drive on racetracks. But here's something most people don't know. You don't have to drive your Kia hard to fall under the severe service schedule. In fact, millions of drivers are already doing it every single day without realizing it. Still, what if your everyday drive to work is already wearing out your transmission fluid much faster than you think? It sounds surprising, but that's exactly what happens. Kia considers things like stop-and-go traffic, frequent short trips, driving in very hot weather, dusty roads, steep hills, and even carrying heavy loads as severe driving conditions. Those situations make your transmission work harder and create more heat, and heat is one of the biggest reasons transmission fluid starts wearing out. What's even more surprising is that a AAA study found only 6% of drivers believed they drove under severe conditions, while 62% actually did once they learned what severe driving really means. That means many Kia owners are following the wrong maintenance schedule without even knowing it. If your daily driving includes city traffic, short commutes, or hot weather, it's a good idea to check your owner's manual for Kia's severe maintenance schedule. In many cases, changing the transmission fluid earlier can help protect your transmission for the long run. Before we get into the difference between a transmission flush and a drain and fill, if you're serious about keeping your Kia running for years, we've put together a Kia longevity guide that makes maintenance much easier to understand. It covers everything from buying advice to maintenance schedules, engine discussions, and other essential tips every Kia owner should know. If that sounds useful, you'll find it linked in the description. All right, let's get back to the video. But even if you change your transmission fluid at the right time, one simple mistake during the service itself can create problems you never expected. Mistake number 6, confusing a transmission flush with a drain and fill. Have you ever been asked whether you want a transmission flush or a drain and fill, but had no idea which one your Kia actually needs? Well, this is exactly why we're talking about it. Even though both services replace transmission fluid, they're not the same thing. A drain and fill is the simpler option. It works a lot like an engine oil change. The old fluid drains out naturally, and fresh fluid is added back in. Since some of the old fluid stays inside the transmission, only about 30 to 50% gets replaced at one time. That may not sound like much, but it's a much gentler way to refresh the system. A transmission flush is different. It uses special equipment to push out almost all of the old fluid and replace it with new fluid. On a Kia that's been serviced regularly, this can work just fine. But if your transmission has very high mileage and the fluid has never been changed, a flush can sometimes loosen years of built-up deposits all at once. Those particles may circulate through small hydraulic passages inside the transmission and, in some cases, contribute to shifting problems. That's why many experienced mechanics recommend a drain and fill for older or neglected Kias instead of jumping straight to a flush. Some even suggest doing 2 or 3 drain and fills over time to replace the old fluid gradually. It's slower, but it puts much less stress on the transmission. So, what if your Kia already has more than 100,000 miles on the clock and the transmission fluid has never been changed? The answer might surprise you. But before we reveal that, take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another Kia owner. You never know, this simple information could help someone avoid a repair bill worth thousands. Done? Great, let's keep going. Mistake number 5. High mileage Kias need extra care. If your Kia has already crossed 100,000 miles, you might be wondering if it's too late to change the transmission fluid. That's a question many owners ask because they've heard completely different advice. Now the truth is, high mileage transmissions need a little more care, and the wrong approach can create problems that weren't there before. Yet that doesn't mean you should avoid transmission service altogether. It simply means the way you service your transmission matters much more than most people realize. Let me tell you the exact reason. After thousands of miles, transmission fluid naturally wears out from heat and friction. At the same time, tiny amounts of clutch material and metal particles build up inside the transmission as normal parts wear over time. If a high-mileage Kia has never had its transmission fluid changed, those deposits have been sitting there for years. That doesn't automatically mean the transmission is failing or about to fail. In fact, many high-mileage Kias continue driving without major issues. But introducing a high-pressure flush to a neglected transmission may disturb those built-up deposits all at once, which is one reason many experienced mechanics prefer a more gradual approach. So if your Kia has high mileage, don't ignore it. Some technicians even recommend repeating the service over time instead of replacing nearly all the fluid in one visit. It gives the transmission a chance to adjust gradually while replacing old, worn-out fluid with fresh fluid. However, even a perfectly timed transmission service can go wrong if you pour in the wrong type of transmission fluid, and that's a mistake more Kia owners make than you'd expect. Mistake number 4, using the wrong transmission fluid. By now, you know that changing your Kia's transmission fluid is important, but there's more to it. Simply adding new fluid isn't enough. If you pour in the wrong type, you could create new problems instead of preventing them. That's because Kia transmissions are designed to work with very specific fluid specifications. But what makes one transmission fluid so different from another? After all, doesn't transmission fluid all do the same job? Not exactly. Every Kia transmission is engineered to work with a specific type of fluid that has the correct viscosity and friction characteristics. That's what helps the transmission change gears smoothly, stay cool, and protect its internal parts. Many Kia models use fluids like SP4, while others may require a different specification depending on the transmission. Using a generic or incorrect fluid can affect how the transmission shifts. Some drivers notice delayed gear changes, rough shifting, or shuddering shortly after a fluid service. Over time, the wrong fluid may also reduce the protection the transmission was designed to have, leading to extra wear on internal components. The safest habit is simple. Before buying transmission fluid, always check your owner's manual or ask for the exact fluid specification recommended for your Kia model. It might seem like a small detail, but using the correct fluid helps your transmission shift the way it was designed to and can save you from expensive repairs later. Yet, after using the correct transmission fluid, don't be surprised if your Kia doesn't feel completely normal right away. Mistake number 3, don't panic if your transmission feels different after a fluid change. What was the last time you changed your Kia's transmission fluid, and suddenly the shifts didn't feel quite the same afterward? Many owners panic right away and think something has gone terribly wrong. The good news is that a slightly different shifting feel after a transmission service doesn't always mean your transmission is failing. Fresh transmission fluid behaves differently from old, worn-out fluid, so the transmission may take a little time to adapt. Because of that, your transmission may shift a little differently at first. On many modern Kia models, the transmission control module, or TCM, has also learned your driving style over thousands of miles. After fresh fluid is added, it may need some time to adjust to the new fluid characteristics. In some cases, a technician may perform a transmission relearn or adaptation reset using a diagnostic scan tool. This helps the transmission computer build new shift patterns more quickly. Now, not every Kia needs this procedure, but it can improve shift quality on certain models after service. If the shifts become extremely harsh, the transmission starts slipping, warning lights appear, or the problem doesn't improve after some driving, don't ignore it. Just do one thing: have the fluid level checked. A simple inspection is much better than assuming the transmission is ruined. Still, rough shifting isn't always caused by old fluid or a recent service. Sometimes the real problem is something much simpler, and it can make a perfectly healthy transmission feel like it's about to fail. Mistake number 2. Low transmission fluid can feel like a failing transmission. Most people hear rough shifting or feel the car hesitate, and they immediately think the transmission is about to fail. That's understandable because the symptoms can feel serious. But in many cases, the real problem is much simpler. Something as simple as low transmission fluid can create many of the same warning signs. So, how can one simple fluid problem make a healthy transmission feel like it's ready for an expensive replacement? First of all, your Kia's transmission depends on transmission fluid to build the hydraulic pressure needed to change gears smoothly. When the fluid level gets too low, that pressure drops, and the transmission can't work the way it was designed to. You may notice delayed shifts, slipping gears, jerking during acceleration, or even the engine revving higher without the vehicle picking up speed. These are the same symptoms people often associate with a failing transmission, even though the real cause may simply be low fluid. Low fluid is often caused by a small leak from a transmission pan gasket, cooler line, or seal. Since many newer Kia models have sealed transmissions without a dipstick, checking the fluid level isn't always a simple driveway job. It usually has to be checked at the correct temperature using the proper service procedure. So if you notice these symptoms, don't assume you need a new transmission. Just don't forget to inspect your Kia for leaks and verify the transmission fluid level. And there's one final lesson every Kia owner should remember, because spending a little on routine transmission service is always cheaper than paying for an entirely new transmission. Mistake number 1. One transmission service is cheap. A new transmission isn't. After hearing all these mistakes, one thing becomes clear. Most transmission problems don't happen overnight. They usually start with small maintenance jobs that get ignored for years. That's why many Kia owners regret skipping a simple transmission service once they see the repair bill later. Now, is saving a couple $100s today really worth risking a repair that could cost thousands later? Well, a routine transmission service is one of the least expensive ways to protect one of the most expensive parts of your Kia. Transmission fluid isn't just there to lubricate moving parts. It also cools the transmission, provides hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, and carries away tiny particles created during normal wear. As the fluid ages, it loses those protective qualities and becomes contaminated. One of the biggest mistakes many owners make is believing the transmission doesn't need attention until it starts acting up. By then, internal wear may have already begun, turning what could have been routine maintenance into a major repair. The smarter approach is simple. Just follow Kia's maintenance schedule, because it helps protect your transmission over the long run, and choose the right service method for your vehicle's condition. Preventive maintenance can't guarantee your transmission will last forever, but it gives it the best chance of a long, reliable life while helping you avoid unnecessary repair costs. In the end, a little maintenance today can save you from a huge repair tomorrow. Take care of your Kia's transmission, and it'll have a much better chance of taking care of you for years to come. So, which of these transmission mistakes surprised you the most? And be honest, have you been doing any of them without even realizing it? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. And before you go, if you want a complete buying and maintenance guide to help your Kia stay reliable for years, check out our Kia Longevity Manual linked below in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Kia maintenance tips, and share this video with another Kia owner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.